Okay, I that the all university students have advantage about having a part-time jobs, for example, sort of income, early work experience, placement opportunities, self-confidence, reducing financial dependence of their parents. They can improve the time and management. They can understand the value of money, and they can have a better networking. The only disadvantage that I can find is that the time. For example, if they are in the university and they need to go, they need to have different activities for present final tests or quizzes, and this is very hard. I think, in my opinion, is that all the students when finish the college need to go to the university.